Yes, guys, ate n'ekirala temwerabira nti buno program wa Python kano kaba ka sample oba otandika butandisi programming using Python. Wano oba programming outputs eziri different. For example, first of all, programming coding using Python, you will use we always use different editors, but here I'm using VS Code. You can see here, you can see even here in the top menu there is that's the icon for VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. So here you're trying to write a program that will print out different things. For example, this program is going to print out things like you input in your name. After inputting your name, it will able to pull out here you can see here at there is a print. This print command, this print code will be able to bring out this word. You can see this word reads you are welcome, like you're welcome. So here we are having we are setting a variable. We are setting a variable name, and we are assigning it to an input method, and we are saying input what is your name. So here what the program will be able to bring is that it will bring this word, what is your name, and the user will be able to type in their name. You type in your name, then you click enter. On clicking enter, we also putting a variable here, which is a birth year, and we are inputting in our birth year here. Enter your birth year. So once you've entered your name, you come here and enter your year of birth. After entering your year of birth, this program will go on to calculate how old you are. So once you enter in your year of birth here, we are saying age is equal to 2024 minus int birth year. What does it mean? That we shall get the year that you have entered here, then here we shall have the 2024 that is going to subtract the year that you entered here. Let's say it was 1999. It will come here and to also pull out your age, that you get 2024, which is the current year, and subtract the year that you input here, then it will give you the age, the current age, what your age is. Then on line 5 we're also saying print here. This is going to be printing your name. You see here it is going to be printing your name. Reason why, that here we declared an input, what is your name here, so we put it in. So here we shall say, here it will say my name is plus name. It will call this name from this declaration variable name. It will call it here, and the name that you input here at first, it will be the name that is going to be called here. So it will print a line saying my name is the name that you put here from what is your name. Then also here it will be able to print the age that was given here. Then when we come to line 10, we are saying input first, input second. Here we have first made the declarations. We have made declaration according to what inputs we are going to put in line 10, 11, and 12. So we are putting we are declaring variables in int, then a boolean, because these are data types. So these are there's a data type of int which gives in integers, calls in integers. Then boolean, we know boolean normally gives an doubles, if I can recall well. We can check here. So that's the class bool. We say returns true when the argument x is true. So it returns a true how should I call it, that if the situation, if what you're calling is true, then it will return it as true. Then when it is false, then it returns it as false. So but we are not going to use it, so I just included it. Then here in the first here, this is the first we are calling we are declaring a variable first with the string here input first. So our system will be able to call, because we are going to put in numbers, then we get the sum of those numbers. So here you're going to input the first number. It will be put, once you run the system, it will be put. Then you put in the second number. This second number must be able to provide you with the sum. You see, sum here is equal to int first plus int second, meaning that what you input as first here and what you input as second, this sum will be able to add them two at once, and you get the sum of these two numbers. Then here this print will definitely print the sum that is here, and we are saying print sum. This word will appear plus string sum. Now we are calling the string here. This is the string. So this string, it is incorporated with this sum, so that you call string sum, so that now it calls directly the sum that is given here on print sum. Because if it prints the sum, let's say it is 50 plus 50 and it is 100, the 100 will just appear here, just a plain. It's a plain 100. But with this print, which has print sum enclosed, then plus string sum, meaning this string will call the total sum that was given here, but this word will be included, that sum, then it gives the value, it gives the figure of that sum. Then here we are declaring here also we are declaring a variable course, and we are assigning it business for computing, meaning that now once you say print course, your system must print this word business for computing. So here, that's why we are saying we are commanding here that the code, the system, the output should print course.upper. What does this mean? This means that what we assign to course, which is business for computing, when we come to print and we say print open brackets and you say course.upper closed brackets and you close it all, it is that it is going to print this word, which is business for computing. It is going to print it as capital letters, meaning that you see we input it here in writing as small letters, but it is going to be output in capital letters. Then when you say print course.replace 4 then comma 4, what does it mean? That we assigned course as business for computing, but you want to make changes and maybe edit something into that system, and you say, now you say print course.replace this call will be able to replace the word 4 in this word with the 4 with the letter, so to use it as a what can I say, acronym or something, just to no, not an acronym, like maybe like a slang or something kind of. Then also then now here we are having temperature, we are assigning temperature. So basically these are different codes, different things that you can do using Python in whatever that you want to do, in different way that you want to code something. So here you can see temp is equal to 35. If temp greater than 30, print drink a lot of water, print it's a hot day. Meaning that when we declared the variable temperature and we assigned it a value 35, meaning that now when we are calling from code and we call if temperature is 35, I mean if temperature is greater than 30, our program must be able to print, we must be able to print the word drink a lot of water. or print it's a hot day. These are the lines that it has to basically print. So yeah, thank you for watching this, and in the next video we shall be able to do what I've explained here. We shall be able to input every value that I've explained here, then we can able to see what the inputs are and what I was talking about. Thank you for watching. Keep it on and let's continue to learn together.